It is almost time to reveal the new 2016 Road Glide. Let's cue the intro. Welcome back to the channel, Big Burns Moto Life. Man, I am so excited to see you guys for another video. I am in the sun. It is Friday. Happy Friday to you out there. Want to give a shout out to all the viewers out there because without you would be no Big Burns Moto Life. So let's go ahead and get that money, man. I am so excited today. As you see, I got something in the mail. I want to show you guys what I got. Let me jump in the box real quick. Now, as you can see, I'm gonna pop up quick. I've got those clamps and those risers. We're gonna have that for the Harley Davidson. These are standard 1 1/4. We're gonna use these for the handlebars, but let's go ahead and get to the star of the show right here. Let me show you what I got. I got the Tiger's Gate handlebars. We're gonna give them a shot and see how they are. Got great reviews. So we're gonna give these a shot. As you guys see, they are super sweet. Man, the gloss black, they're pre-wired, everything's all set. You see the throttle by wires right there. Everything is all set and ready to go. I'm gonna be going over to JLH Choppers to holler at my man Jerry. We're gonna get some things done. You guys are coming with. Let's get that money. Let's go ahead and step in the garage, man. Before I head to JLH Choppers, I have got a poll for you guys out there. Man, let me let you know, I was this close to buying a denim mate bike. For you guys out there in Harley world, that's denim. Everybody else, that's a matte finish. It's the dull finish for all you out there who don't know. Let me jump up on that and you guys can see that shine and those sparkles in there. I love all things that shine, and that was one of the reasons is why I bought this bike right here over the denim finish bike. Do you prefer the finish like that? And man, that is absolutely crazy. Or do you prefer the mate denim finish, which is a little bit duller finish? All right, so you know one of the questions that I get asked quite a bit is, how does the Saddlemen seat handle the long rides? You guys see that SDC right there? Very, very nice seat. It is beautiful. I'm gonna give you an honest review of it. I love Saddlemen seats, and it was always a seat that I wanted. Now that I have it, you guys can remember in the last video, I went to Geneva on the Lake. If you haven't seen that, you definitely go see that, drop a like on it. Now it's about an hour-and-a-half trip, so about a 3-hour trip, maybe a little bit more total round trip. Now, this is a great seat. Now, only problem I have with the Saddlemen seat is at the end of my trip, I did have some discomfort because although the seat grips, it is very firm and doesn't give a lot. My review out there to you guys is if you are gonna rock the Saddlemen, I would not use it on a super long distance trip. I would grab the sofa seat or something a little bit more comfortable. If you paid any attention and you saw The Water Boy with Adam Sandler, then you know the prison team was named the Meme Machine. And that is where we got the name for the bike right here. But guys, really quick, why I chose the bike, I still got a need for speed, and so do you. I had to keep it going. I used to be sport bike guy. I got too old for that, so now I wanted to grab something in between. This is a perfect bike that is in between. It has got the power and torque of a sport bike, yet it's got the comfortability and it still can ride like a cruiser. Yes, sir, had to pull you back from the video for a second. Do you want to win some cool shit out there? Man, all you got to do is drop a name for the Road Glide, and if I pick your name, you're going to win this sweet 330 Muscle Lab t-shirt. Also, the runner-up, I'm gonna pick a runner-up, that's right. You're gonna win the blue one. Also, it's gonna come directly to your door, extra large, free of charge. Don't forget to get those names in. Let's get back to the video. Yes, sir, I am back. It is finally time to get the Road Glide out of here. We're gonna ship it over to JLH Choppers, but I got my man Big Mel in the house. Say what up to everybody.
Hey. What
is good, man? I want to let you see the bike up close and personal. Let the viewers out there know, what do you think about the bike now that you see it up close?
It's amazing.
Huh? You love it? What do you like?
I like the chrome, I like the color.
Yeah, color is deep. That deep color is really slick.
Deep red.
Yeah, deep red. Definitely. Let's step over to the Roadstar Warrior. He's never seen this one before. What do you think about this one now that you've seen it up close?
More me.
You like this one? Would this be you right here? Yeah, you're a big man. He might be the only person stronger than me, so definitely this would be a nice bike for you right here. It's powerful. is slick, it's to the ground, you know. All right, back in effect at JLH Choppers. Of course, you see Jerry over there in the background right there. We just got the bars off, man, looking good. Gonna get this thing done. You guys can see up in there real quick. Got everything all taken out. We're gonna get these out now. We gotta get those bolts out. That's gonna be a task right there. You guys see down in there. Gonna have to get those out to get the new ones in. But we're gonna keep moving and grooving, get this thing done. Walk around the garage real quick. Jerry, while he's getting after. Jerry, say what up to everybody.
What's up?
What up, what up? I'm gonna show you guys his project right here. While we are out here on a great Saturday, you guys can see the Road King right here. Jerry, what year is it again?
2008.
Got this off of Copart right there, man. Copart, dude, this is amazing. It is looking good so far. You guys remember, it was all broken down in shambles. He's got it together. You want to show him the air ride real quick? Easy to see it rising up. Looking good right there.
It's got front too.
Okay, the front air ride too. So he's got it all the way around. Air ride all the way through. Ah, that is nice. Got a little road rash still on the gas tank, but he is a master at painting, so getting everything all prepped and ready. Let me know what you guys think about the Nacelle right here. I am loving that, especially the way it curves like that. When he puts the paint job on it, it is gonna look crazy. Everything ready to go. Let's check it out. Let him hear it. Sounds great too. Looks good. Oh my goodness. Let me a little run. Hit it. All right, man, he has got another project in here right now. You guys can see what this is. Let me back out so you can get a good look at it, man. It's got the big boy up front with the fairing on front. Guys, you can guess what this is. I know I'm trying to give you a look at the whole bike so you can let me know what you think it is. So what is this bike?
This 2004 Honda VTX.
Honda VTX, my man went the full 9 yards on a Honda VTX. I'm gonna pull on the other side so you can see it. You can really get a good view of it on this side, man. He got the fat 26-inch up front. He wanna go to a 30, right?
That is a 30.
Oh, that's a 30? Damn.
He wants to go to a 34.
That's craziness right there. But this is a Honda VTX, fellas. Just shows you, man, if you wanna get your bike customized, it doesn't matter what you got. Man, let's look at the Road Glide. Man, she is looking so good under his lights. You got the best lights in the world, man. I'm telling you, his lights in the garage make the bike look amazing. You can see the shine on there. It is definitely going down. This is a big bike right here out here. Man, check this thing out. Look at the extension on the forks right there with the rake for that 30-inch wheel. That is crazy. What do you think about this bike, man?
It's a big ass bike.
How big is the dude who ride this bike, man?
He's 6'6".
I thought I was a big dude, but this is a big dude to ride this bike right here. All right, so he is in the background. He is putting the bike on a lift so we can turn that wheel so we can try to get those risers out of there. Man, he is going to the Cleveland Indians game tonight, man. They are playing the Rangers, so we got to get some work done before we get out of here. Again, fellas, we are from Ohio. You are in Cleveland. We're not the Indians. You got to be politically correct. Who is it now? It's the Guardians, the Cleveland Guardians. So he's going to go to the Cleveland Guardians game, but we're going to get some work done and get this in today. You can check out a few videos ago. Go back, do the videos, check them out, man. We got the winner in the house, the first place winner right here, his Softail. Man, check out the colors on there. That green and that root beer is amazing right there. Again, go back and check out the videos where he smashed them at the show, the big bike show in Cleveland. Crazy, crazy video, man. You are doing a customization or you're fixing your bikes, guys. You got to be very patient when you're doing this. Never rush through. Let me show you a couple things while he's getting the bike together. You see we took off the controls and put them in bags so they don't scratch the paint job. This is one of the things that you got to do. Detail everything up. Now we were going to cover the gas tank, but we're okay because we've got those in the bags. They're not going to scratch anything, but make sure, guys, you go the extra mile. You don't mess up that nice paint job you got on this bike. Yes, sir, we are getting close to the end of these. You see the bars are in there. Everything is on. He is attaching everything, and he is using blue Loctite. Don't forget, man, do not use red Loctite. You go with the blue right there, as you see him applying that right there to the bolts going in there. Want to make sure that you guys get a clean install on your handlebars. And so far, what do you think about the bars, man? You like it? I think they're gonna be sweet. This is gonna be a great build, man. You guys are sitting with us step by step for this build. Again, they are 12-inch bars right there. They look great. Love it. And I'm gonna finish this, guys. We're gonna be right back. We're gonna get a few more installation on this. All right, man, so we are checking the bars right now. So I'm gonna sit back and get a good exactly position of where I'm gonna like the bars at. Swing around this way, Jerry, real quick. I'm gonna show them. So I wanna keep that nice, comfortable seated position. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust and get a little bit of a pullback. And you guys can see right about there. I want to keep that nice and comfortable for the long ride. So when I'm doing that, so I don't get pain in the shoulders, I want to make this as comfortable as possible, because remember, we were replacing 10-inch bars to 12-inch, so we're going to have 2-inch rides on there, so we got to compensate for that. So a little bit of a pullback towards me would make that a little bit more comfortable. Remember that when you are adjusting your handlebars, you got to make it comfortable. So before you tighten up those, guys, get on that bike, adjust it around, make it feel comfortable for you. Yes, sir, and the UPS man is right on time with the new package. Appreciate you, man.
Yes.
Contest is almost over. You can say it right there. I'll take it for you right there. Appreciate it, guys. This is the final touch of the bike right here. Guys, don't forget to get those names in for the contest. It is heating up right now. We're going to open this up and see what it is. Let's check it out. I am so excited right now. Hope you guys are loving the content out there. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe right there, man. It is definitely going down. But you see the 21-inch gloss black Prodigy wheel right here. I am up close and personal on that. Not a flaw on that wheel. Oh my goodness, let me check this out though. Hold on, I did ask for that to be black, the cap right there, but it's all good, man. I'm gonna just rock with that. Looks good anyway. So loving the wheel all together. Man, let's check out the vision board, because it is definitely going down. Guys, remember I had the slider covers right here. They're gonna be all black. They match up perfectly with the gloss. Loving the blacked out look. It is definitely about to go down. I'm gonna knock this out and protect this wheel. Yes, sir, I am almost ready to get out of here. I am finishing the wheel up with that shine armor. Let me show you that one more time. You see the shine armor, and what I'm doing is I'm just giving it a good coating of the shine armor, so it'll have a protecting coating on there, so it will not get a lot of scratches and scrapes, because these are brand new wheels. I want them to look showroom when I reveal this to you guys, and well beyond that. So make sure when you do get a set of rims, you go ahead and put an application over the top to give that freshly coated surface something that protected. Man, it is time to burn the midnight oil. I am on my way to JLH Choppers. We are about to get this thing officially going and get this bike done. For all of you, I appreciate you waiting, being patient, but it is almost time.